Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good
Good morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Okay. Can you all open your textbooks?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So we finished the chapter last week. Remember?
Yes.
Yes. Who is going to summarize today? Who will summarize the chapter today?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Nora.
We study only the story of praying.
Huh?
Ma'am.
Yes.
The story of rain now.
Hmm. What happened to story of rain?
Ahona was 3 years.
Okay, please mute others. Nora is going to summarize for us. Yes.
Ahona was 3 years old. He was looking outside. It was raining.
Okay.
The flowers was fresh and green. He asked his papa why it is rain. Papa said, when it is hot, the air goes up.
Okay.
Vapor. It starts to rain. Ahona is not happy with this reason.
Okay.
Reply. She went to her mother and asked why it is rain. For a while, mother said, you know, God lives in the sky. They have a big black elephant.
Okay.
The elephant the elephant trunk is full of water. So elephant points his trunk where the water needs.
Okay.
And there started to rain.
Okay.
Ahona was very happy. Thank you, Mummy. Papa was said wrong. Papa said, when you will grow up, you will understand. He go to play, feeling happy.
Okay. Very good. Very good, Nora. Good summary. Anybody else would like to try? Yes, Rex is raising his hand. Yes, Rex.
Ahana was a 3 years old little girl. She asked her father, Papa, why does it rain? Papa said, when it is hot, water goes up in the air as vapor. And
once it goes up, what does it become? It becomes?
Vapor.
Vapor collects to form?
Clouds.
Clouds. Okay. And when the clouds become heavy, what happens?
It starts to rain.
Okay, fine. And when Ahona listens to this answer, she is not happy. Then she goes to her
mother.
Okay. Adnan, what does the mother tell Ahona? Why does it rain? What does the mother tell her?
Ahona.
Don't look into the textbook. Don't look into the textbook. Tell me your own answer. What does
Mummy, why does it rain?
And what does Mummy say?
He asked, Mummy wrote for a while and answered you. No, that goes live up in the sky. Where they have a big black
Okay, wait. Okay, I know you understood, but I don't want the textbook answer. Pranav, can you tell me in your own words?
Ma'am.
Yes, what does Ahona's mother tell her?
Hannah's mother think for a while and say, gods live in the sky. They have a big black elephant.
Okay, okay, Pranav. Yes. Somebody here raised the hand. Risa, yes, Risa. Risa, what does the elephant do?
The elephant takes cold water of sea. Then she points where is water needed. Then she blows all the water. They become very all rain.
Okay, the elephant points its trunk where the water is needed, and that place gets rainfall when the elephant blows its trunk. Okay, fine. So now we will move on to the question answers of this chapter. Okay, so you can open page number 48. On page number 48, we can see the questions for this chapter.
Yes.
Yes. So the first question, yes. So the first question is, what did Ahona see as she sat near the window? Avantika?
Rain.
What did Ahona see when she sat near the window?
Ahona sees near the window. It was raining.
Okay, your answer is correct, but the sentence was wrong. Okay, Ahona saw that it was raining. What else did she see when she looked out of the window? It was raining, and what else did she see?
Flowers and grass.
Very good. Yes, fresh flowers and grass. Okay, so Ahona saw that it was raining. She also saw fresh flowers and grass. Okay. Yes. Aryan?
Ma'am.
Aryan, what did Ahona see when she sat near the window?
Raining.
It was raining. What else did she see?
All flowers and grass looks green.
Green and fresh. Okay, so Ahona saw that it was raining. She also saw the fresh flowers and grass. Okay. Next is, according to Ahona's father, why does it rain? According to Ahona's father, why does it rain? What was the reason Ahona's father gave to her? Why does it rain? Yes, Arfin is raising his hand.
When it is hot, the water will goes up as vapor. Then rain will come.
Okay, very good. When it is hot, water goes up in the form of vapor and forms clouds. And when the clouds become heavy, it starts to rain. Very good, Arfin. Very good. Next one. Why was Ahona unhappy with the answer? Why was Ahona unhappy with the father's answer? Serafina? Serafina, can you unmute? Yes. Why was Ahona unhappy with the father's answer?
She did not understand.
Very good. Because she did not understand the answer. Okay, very nice. Next, I shall ask Heaven. According to Ahona's mother, why does it rain?
The elephant's tongue.
What does the elephant do?
Take water from the sea.
Yes, the elephant picks up water from the sea in its trunk and blows where the water is needed. Okay, fine. So now shall we write these answers? Okay, page number 48. Niharika, can you please mute your audio? Page number 48. You can see the question.
I am already muted.
No, but I can hear noise. Okay. So what first question is, what did Ahona see when she sat near the window? Ahona saw that it was raining. She also saw the fresh flowers and grass.
Ma'am?
Yes, where to write? That is your question, right?
Yes.
In the textbook itself. There is place here. Every chapter I have to tell you where to write. Who is making that noise? Ahona saw that it was raining. She also saw. She also saw the fresh flowers and. Who is asking me about?
Able.
Where were you able all this while when I was telling the page number? Driving. Page number 48. Ahona saw that it was raining.
I'm telling.
Ahona saw that it was raining. She also saw the fresh flowers and grass. Somebody's audio is switched on. Please mute it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, audio is stuck.
Whose audio?
Ma'am,
Can the others hear me?
yes.
It is a problem with your. It is a problem with
Yes.
your connection, Able. Please check your connection. All the others can hear me very properly. Second question, according to Ahona's father, what rain? According to Able, please mute your audio. According to Ahona's father, why does it rain? This is a slightly big answer. According to Ahona's father, When it is hot, as vapor and forms clouds, when the clouds become heavy, it starts to rain. According to Ahona's father, when it is hot, water rises as vapor and forms clouds. When the clouds become heavy, it starts to rain. And the third one, why was Ahona unhappy with her father's answer? Ahona was unhappy because she could not understand. Okay, Ahona was unhappy because she did not understand. She could not understand. Okay, the fourth answer I am not giving you now. That is also a big answer. If you write all of it together, you will get confused. So I'm not giving you the fourth answer. Have you all finished all these three?
No.
Okay,
No.
right. Okay, right. What did Ahona see as she sat near the window? Ahona saw that it was raining. She also saw the fresh flowers and grass. According to Ahona's father, why does it rain? According to Ahona's father, when it is hot, water rises as vapor and forms clouds. And when the clouds become heavy, it starts to rain. And the third one, why was Ahona unhappy? Ahona was unhappy because she did not understand. Yes? Finished?
No. No. Finish. No. Finish.
Okay. Take 2 minutes more and finish. Yes. We have one more exercise to do. I will send you these answers through WhatsApp.
Finish, ma'am. Finish.
Okay, I'm
Ma'am, finish.
okay, I shall for the time being. Don't worry, I will send you all these answers. Don't worry. I'm sending you all these answers through WhatsApp. Okay. Now we have one more exercise to do. Just a minute. Okay, if you open page 50 of your textbook, page 50, yes, you can see this exercise. It's a language game. You have to search for the words.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sarah?
that is do.
Who asked you to do? Okay. So you have to search for these words in this puzzle. Okay, the first one is cloud. Yes? You have to find cloud in this puzzle.
Ma'am, I got, ma'am.
Yes.
I got.
Yes. Once you find it, circle it.
Yes.
Here it is, cloud.
C-L-O-U-D.
Yes?
Ma'am, I forgot.
Yes. Cloud. Okay. Next word is umbrella.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Yes. Okay. It is right here. Umbrella. Okay. Third word, puddle.
Ma'am, I got. Ma'am, I got.
Yes, once you find it, circle it. Once you find the word, circle the word. Raincoat.
Ma'am, I got.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got.
Once you get the word, you do not scream, I got. Just circle the word. Then raindrop.
Got.
Raindrop.
I got, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, raindrop. And the last word is rainbow.
Rainbow.
Yes. Got all the words? Cloud, umbrella, puddle, raincoat.
I didn't
raindrop.
finish. I got all the words.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got all the words.
Okay,
Ma'am,
very
I got
good.
all the words.
Yes. Everybody's got all the words.
Yes, ma'am. I got also all the words.
Okay, very good, very good.
I also got, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so with that, we finish this chapter. Okay. So tomorrow I'm going to take a small test
Okay.
from this chapter.
Okay. Ma'am, question answers.
Everything. Like how I normally take.
Daily test.
Like a daily test.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I will send in the chat box like how we normally do. And you have to answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, question answers and meaning also there.
Yes, yes. Whatever we have done in this chapter. Just to know how much you have understood.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody has any doubts from this chapter?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
So everybody will get full marks tomorrow?
Yes.
Very sure?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. Let me see. How many of you all get full marks? Okay.
Okay.
Yes? Who is calling me? Fale? Yes, Fale?
Meanings?
Meanings, question answers, everything. I will not ask you
Okay.
these big question answers. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It will be like the daily test that we do.
Okay.
Yes?
Once more time, please. Meanings?
What happened?
Meanings once more time.
Meanings. Only two words you have to learn from this chapter. That is fresh and trunk.
Thank you.
Only two meanings I will ask. The other two meanings are slightly big. And shower, you all already know it is rainfall. So I don't have to tell you again. We have already learned. Question answers also, I will ask short question answers, not big question answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Abel, what happened? Why was Abel raising your hand? Abel is showing something. What is it, Abel? Okay, nothing. Anybody absent today? Chinmay is not there. Okay, so tomorrow, so please be prepared for the test paper. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.